Meet Sensibo, a unique device that makes any air conditioner smart, making your lives much more comfortable. Yes, your dog too. With the Sensibo app, you can easily control the AC wherever you are. Monitor temperature and humidity from anywhere in the world. Set a 7-day schedule. Automate your AC operation with your own temperature and humidity rules. Using geolocation, Sensibo automatically powers your AC on when you're on your way home, making sure you walk into a comfy house. And will also power your AC off once the last person leaves. Sensibo can save you up to 40% on energy bills. It works with any air conditioner, and installation takes just 60 seconds. Make your AC smart today. Sensibo, making your life comfortable.